Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default sound output on your Windows computer. So all you have to do is go ahead and click the sound icon in the lower right hand side of your screen. And from here, you will be able to see the different options. So to go ahead and change this, to do this, you want to go ahead and click on the select a sound output on the right hand side, and you can now change the different output here. As you can see, I can choose a headphone, I can choose a speaker, I can choose whatever it is, right? So that's the first way how you can go ahead and change your default sound. And the second method to do this is to simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings. Now, once you're in the settings, go ahead and click on system on the left hand side, then click on sound. And from here, you will have your output. So as you can see, I have headphone speaker and I also have something coming from my monitor right here. So I can go ahead and I can choose whichever one by choosing the radio button on the left or right to basically choose that output. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and change your default sound output on Windows 11.